In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Outlook error that says connection to server failed. This is a very common problem that can suddenly stop your emails from sending or receiving, and the good news is that in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. Whether you're using Outlook for work, school, or personal email, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the easiest and fastest solution. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software fixes like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should always check when you see the connection to server failed error in Outlook is your internet connection. Outlook relies on a stable internet connection to communicate with your email server, so if your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is weak, disconnected, or unstable, Outlook may fail to connect. Try opening a browser and visiting a few websites to make sure your internet is actually working. If pages are loading slowly or not at all, restart your router or switch to a more stable network if possible. Once you confirm your internet connection is working properly, go back to Outlook and see if the error is gone. If your internet connection is fine and the error is still showing, the next thing to check is whether Outlook is set to work offline mode. This is one of the most common causes of the connection to server failed error, and it can sometimes be enabled accidentally without you realizing it. When Outlook is in offline mode, it will not try to connect to the mail server at all, which triggers this error message. To turn off offline mode, open Outlook and go to the Settings menu. From there, click on General. Inside the General settings, look for the Offline section. You will see a toggle labeled Work Offline. If this toggle is turned on, Outlook will not connect to the server. Simply disable the Work Offline toggle by switching it off. After turning it off, make sure you click on Save to apply the changes. This step is very important because if you don't save, the setting may not update correctly. Once you've disabled Work Offline and saved the settings, Outlook may ask you to restart the application. If you see this prompt, go ahead and restart Outlook. Closing and reopening the app allows Outlook to reconnect to the email server with the updated settings. After restarting, give Outlook a few seconds to sync. In most cases, you should see your inbox start updating and the connection to server failed error should be gone. If the error disappears at this point, then you're all set and your Outlook connection is working again. If you're still seeing the error, double-check that Work Offline is definitely turned off and that your internet connection is stable. These two steps resolve the issue for the majority of users. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix the Outlook connection to server failed error by checking your internet connection and disabling Work Offline mode. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Outlook tips and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.